have been posting for about a month now on YouTube, and I am on my way to 200 subscribers. So I decided to go ahead and do a giveaway. And the giveaway is really simple to enter. What you want to do is you want to hit the subscribe button. So if it's red, you want to hit it to make sure it is gray. So do that right now. And then you want to hit the thumbs up button down there too. So hit that, hit the like button. You got those two down? Okay, and then the third thing that you want to do is in the comment section, give me your Cash App name. And also pick a number between 1 and 33. Whoever gets closest to the number that I'm thinking of right now, thinking of a number, whoever gets close to that number or whoever guesses that number is going to win the giveaway. Now, I'm not going to give the giveaway out until I hit 200 subscribers. So share with your mama, share with your daddy, your cousin, your sister's best friend, auntie, uncle, stripper from down the street, and tell them to come subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave in the comment section your Cash App information and the number that you chose between 1 and 33. Now, if you don't have a Cash App, that's okay. Still go ahead and select a number, and then if you are the person who gets close to the number or the number itself, I will contact you to make sure I get you your giveaway prize, okay? Thank you all for watching. I do appreciate the support so far, and I hope to continue to have more support in the future. If there's something that you all want to see, you all want me to do, let me know in the comments. I'm open for suggestions all the time. Follow me on Twitter and also Instagram, Say It's Trays, all across the board. I think that's it. That's gonna be it. Bye, y'all.